In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner just starting out, understanding how to efficiently bring your images into Canva is a key skill for creating stunning visual content. So let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the Canva website. If you're already familiar with Canva and have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you might want to take just a moment to create a free account. This will give you access to all the powerful design tools that Canva has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard, which serves as your launching pad for all your creative projects. Now, let's move on to bringing your own images into Canva. First, make sure your images are saved somewhere easy to access on your computer. A good place to keep them handy is your desktop, but anywhere that you can easily navigate to with your File Explorer will work just fine. Next, open your File Explorer. This is where all your folders and files are stored, and find the image or images you'd like to use. Once you've located your desired images, it's time to drag and drop them directly into Canva. Simply click and hold the image with your mouse or touchpad and drag it over to your open Canva browser window. Then release the mouse button to drop it into Canva. You'll notice your image will automatically start uploading. This simple drag and drop method is one of the quickest ways to get your images into the Canva library for use in any project. And just like that, your images are now in Canva, ready for you to incorporate into any of your designs. You can click on any uploaded image to add it to your current design, effortlessly moving it around, resizing it, and layering it within your project as needed. Canva's interface is really intuitive, prompting you with resizing grips to make changes to the size and position of the images you incorporate. While this may just be a simple upload, it's an invaluable skill that will save you time as you continue to create and customize visual content. Your images are at your fingertips, both streamlining your workflow and allowing more room for creativity in your designs, and that's all there is to it. Uploading images to Canva is quick and easy, setting you up perfectly to dive into your next project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment as you become more comfortable with Canva's dynamic and user-friendly design capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.